Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do eyebrows. This is an easy to follow step-by-step tutorial on how to create a naturally looking thick brow when you're working with something like this with just a few steps and a few products, and you can achieve this look. Without further ado, let's get started. Step number 1, you want to make sure that you remove any foundation or concealer that may be on your brow. I have used so many products over the years. Most currently, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I use taupe, and I really like this tool because it does have a very thin pencil, and I'm able to create a beautiful bladed, natural looking brow with this product. The first thing that I like to do is create a very defined line right underneath my eyebrow, and I like to take and think about this as a line that connects all the way up to the highest part of my brow, which is the arch. So I will just feather this pencil to really give a nice base to my eyebrow and define that shape and take that to the arch. You want to make sure that when you are doing the pencil that you measure right next to your nose and don't go in beyond this point right here. And a nice way to do that is to just make one little line, and then you know where to start from and where to stop from. From this point, I take the pencil and I do little hair strokes from this baseline up. I like to enhance the arch on the brow, so right here I like to just take the pencil and create a little bit more of a higher arch, and then I will just follow that down. The best way to know where to stop for your eyebrow is just taking your pencil and lining it with your nose and with the end of your eye, and that is where your eyebrow should stop. On the opposite end, you will find a spoolie, and this is used to just blend out the pencil and also helps to brush up your natural hair. Next step is taking a brow gel. I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is a clear gel, and I really love this product because it creates a beautiful natural look without adding a lot of color to the brow. And you can see there are two different lengths on this wand. There's a long end, and then there's a short end. And the top part, the long bristles, are meant to apply the product, and then you'll swap it over and use the short end to kind of brush up and create a soap brow effect. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, a final step, if you are creating an eyeshadow look, I like to save this high brow for the very end after I've done my brows, and I will take a lighter shade, and I like to just go right underneath my eyebrow, and that creates a really nice highlight underneath a beautiful fresh eyebrow. And that is pretty much it. And as you can see, the difference between a happy, beautiful, youthful brow and a sad brow. This is such a sad brow. And here you have it, the final completed look. And just with a few products and a few steps, I have this thick, beautiful, natural looking brow, and it's really completing my look. So if you have never tried this technique, I highly recommend it. I'm linking these products in the description below, and I wanted to make a video that you could really watch over and over again until you feel completely confident in doing this for yourself, because pulling together an eyebrow can change your entire face. I feel like it's such an important feature, and I feel like doing something that's less than more, so your own color, your own tone, really keeping it natural is the best approach, and that's what I was trying to achieve today. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do have questions, just leave your comments below. I'm always here to help. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells so that you do see when my new videos are live on my channel. I want you to have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Rita.